I'm too much excited talking about how AADME helped me until now to grow myself, growing my skills. So guys, first of all, I'm a fresher in this digital marketing industry, totally unknowing, industry for me, because only one thing I knew about digital marketing is it is going to be a high valued, high paying skill and high paying, profession in the future. Because of this COVID, the traditional market people like the people or the business which used to promote or which used to work in traditional markets environment, those businesses, those people shifted towards digital marketing. So right now digital marketing has a lot of scope in the future and it in the present also. So guys, after getting after completing my graduation, I get into TCS. After working for 6 to 7 months in TCS, I left because I felt like TCS is not my kind of job, and which made me to get out of TCS, and I started looking for digital marketing, what really digital marketing is. And I started looking for the digital marketing courses in India, which is the best course of which is the best agency, or which is the best platform which is providing digital marketing knowledge. And after some 6 months, some months of research, lastly I get into the AADME. So until now in AADME I learned how web development, like how to build a website, how to build website designing, and about graphic designing, what is graphic designing. And also I learned about the ICPs, how to build ICPs, content calendar, and what really digital marketing is and how it is operating, how it is benefiting the clients, what is the difference between a traditional marketing and then a digital marketing. So all these things I'm learning right now, and the mainly we are learning here is the mindset. Apart from all these skills, we are building a great, solid mindset here, the mindset of an entrepreneur. Because sir used to say all time that as an entrepreneur we are motivating others. The people are getting motivated by seeing us, but how we are going to motivate ourselves, because no one is there to motivate us. So how to be motivated, inspired all time. So this is the mindset, this is the work of an mindset. So the mindset thing we are learning right now here, and how to adapt that millionaire mindset, how to work, how to schedule our time, how a millionaire mindset people are scheduling their time, how their skills are, what they do when they wake up at first morning in the time when they wake up, what are the things they do. So this is all till now I'm learning, and this is what until now I'm learning in AADME. Thank you.